Hi, tonight on Celebrity Millennium, Julie and I are dining at Le Petit Chef, where a tiny animated chef cooks on the table. Is it worth it? Let's go find out. Enjoy.
Travels with the Russells, they just won't quit. Cruising on the waves, hand in hand we go. From Cyprus beaches to the Caribbean glow. Sun lovers, thrill seekers. Oh, what a show, life's a big adventure. On this we know. They've danced through the morning.
There you go, dear. No sweet stuff.
Once upon a time, there was a chef as small as a thumb. Even though he was tiny, his ambitions were enormous. Never content, he was always on the lookout for new ingredients and recipes. One sunny day, he bought a mysterious cooking book with a lock attached to it at the flea market. Once he arrived home, he quickly realized this was no ordinary cooking book. The book contained magical recipes to solve all sorts of problems, such as Greek salad to make you 10 years younger, strawberry chocolate cake to make everyone adore you, and garlic and oil spaghetti that protects you against vampires, and your mother-in-law. Deeper into the book, he found a recipe that said magical soup that will make all your wishes come true. The Petit Chef was immediately intrigued and began following the instructions. Step 1. Add magical crispy cake in slices. Step 2. Sprinkle mystical cheese bites on top. Step 3. Add 3 drops of goblin's tears.
What? I can't put goblin's tears in that soup. Who comes up with this stuff?
My bad. I got carried away. That should be 3 drops of child's oil. And finally, the most important ingredient. Step 4. Add a pinch of fairy dust. By creating the magical soup, Le Petit Chef summoned a powerful spirit into being. But before we continue with our story, please enjoy this magical soup without the goblin's tears. Bon appetit!
Thank you. Leek and potato. Very nice, very creamy.
So, Fairy, I wish to have the most high-tech, state-of-the-art kitchen the world has ever seen.
Your wish is my command.
Oh, wow.
Hello, I am the AI-controlled kitchen robot 3000. How can I help you?
Let's see what you can do. Kitchen robot, make me citrus poached scotch with squash potato, maybe vegetables, and citrus salad. Chop chop.
Right away, master. What request?
Oh. Hey, fais attention, hein? Oh, don't use too much lemon. Oh, watch out, you're burning the butter.
My data tells me that 72.3% of guests like their butter slightly burnt.
Ah, not everything is about numbers. Let me help you.
You can help me by cleaning my components.
Cleaning? Do you have any idea who you're talking to?
I'm afraid I don't have any further use of you. Goodbye.
Oh. You must have an off button somewhere.
I will not tolerate any form of violence against the integrity of my components.
I'm so busy.
There is no need to feel intimidated by my superior skills.
Superior skills? I'll show you superior skills. Here.
Please stop interfering very required procedures.
I'm afraid I don't have any further use of you. Au revoir. And that is the end of the AI revolution. Long live humanity!
So, the cod was lovely. Didn't think the lemon sauce was very lemony though.
Oh yeah. I assume you didn't love your new high-tech kitchen.
Ah, stop living in the past. Time for my second wish. All my life, nobody has ever taken me seriously as a chef since I'm so little. I'm done being the world's smallest chef. Very, I wish to become the world's largest chef.
I think he might be suffering from a Napoleon complex.
Excusez-moi.
Oh, nothing. Please, take this magical growing potion. It's very powerful. A small sip should be enough. Enjoy!
I don't think it's working. You see me growing? Or maybe I should drink a tiny bit more. Look at me, the grand chef. Have no fear, my friends. I will prepare for the whole town the world's largest dish. Hurry! Hey, fais attention, hein? Bonjour!
I won't do too much.
Hello! Bonjour, tout le monde! Salut! Follow me, guys! Hey! Salut! Bonjour tout le monde! Hey, Petit Chef, 2 sacs de farine pour vous! Ah, merci, monsieur le boulanger! S'il vous plaît! Yeah. Hey, bonjour François! Could I get some fresh spinach from you? Yes. Merci beaucoup, mon ami. Merci François. Oh, salut Petit Chef. Voici un filet de bœuf exquis pour vous. Oh, merci. C'est très gentil. S'il vous plaît. Bien. Oh, it's just a bit too small. But pas de problème, I have an ID. Oh, cool. It works. Huh? Yeah. Yeah.
Chers téléspectateurs, we are reporting live from the city center. There appears to be a giant chef cooking beef or fruit in the middle of the fountain.
Merci, au revoir.
Hé, Petit Chef, je t'ai apporté des champignons frais.
Ah, super Brigitte. François, can I borrow your umbrella?
Yes.
Merci. Bien. Voilà. Some fresh mushroom. Bien. Ils ont l'air délicieux. Thank you, Brigitte.
S'il vous plaît. Hé, Petit Chef, voici du bon vin spécialement pour vous.
Ah, merci Pascal. Vraiment délicieux. Hop là. And now the finishing touch. Hop là. I present to you the world record-breaking largest beef on foot. Bon appétit. Oh, wow. Magnifique. Mes amis.
Smells good. Absolutely delicious. The beef was gorgeous.
Look at you, le grand chef. How's the weather up there?
Oh, Fanny, I never realized being so tall would give me such a big, unsatisfiable hunger.
Well, luckily, you have one remaining wish.
I will use my last wish for the benefit of all. I want the world where everything is edible, so no one will ever be hungry again.
What a great wish. You've saved the best for last.
Oh my god, you guys! This is the best wish ever! A raspberry coulis river and chocolate rolls! I will be able to make the best dessert ever! High five!
Ah, thanks for the chef. What a good wish.
All you can eat! Attack! What an exquisite tasting chocolate roll! Yeah. Oh, don't exaggerate, you get pain in your belly.
I can eat what you want.
Those look amazing. Okay, next one for me, yeah? What's up? To sharing is caring? Ah, that's
Raspberry coulis.
Oh, guys, there's nothing left for me to blend the dessert with.
Oh, don't worry, there's more food in
Okay, but this time I need some ingredients for my dessert.
Of course, we're no longer hungry. Oh, that looks so delicious. Ingredients!
Come on, guys, stop eating everything. Okay, you know what? See you guys later.
Hey! How dare you leave us behind?
Stay back to shoot and eat.
I thought we were friends.
Well, you're not eating anything for my guests.
Oh no, we didn't even afford the poor guests. These guys already had 3 boxes.
If you're not careful, they might eat you as well.
Maybe we should eat the chef.
Oh, you guys look there. Try some more ice cream, my friend.
Yeah!
Your wish is my command. Yeah.
Hey, help us get stuck.
Well, sorry, my friends. You should be careful what you wish for. Yeah.
Delightful, lovely. Delicious.
Oh no, what are you doing? Arrête! It's something for me. I've nothing left. No ice cream left, no more wishes, not even my old worn out kitchen.
Oh, poor Petit Chef. No need to be so melodramatic.
Oh wow, merci Paris. You're the best.
De rien.
And so, Le Petit Chef learned a valuable lesson. He came to realize that there are no magical shortcuts in life and decided never to use the book again and to throw away the key. Le Petit Chef decided to throw away the key.
Yeah, it might still come in handy later, just in case the world is invaded by vampires. Or my mother-in-law gives me trouble.
Oh dear. Well, fine. No moral to this story. Have it your way. Adieu et au revoir.
So I guess our final thoughts on the meal. The food was absolutely delicious. It was nice and hot. What should be hot, of course. The sorbet and chocolate was delicious. The beef was beautiful. It was an absolute fillet of beef. It was so tender and so tasty. So we really enjoyed our meal. Had a thoroughly good evening. Quite entertaining. Was it worth the money? I think it was. I think it's pretty good value for money. If you look at anywhere else that does this animated 3D dining experience, it's a lot more expensive. So for a special occasion, we highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Well, the sun's rising in the morning light, grabbing our bags, we're ready for a flight. Got the map laid out on where will we go. Cyprus calls our names, it's the place we love so. From the UK skies to the Mediterranean blue, we share our adventures, just me and you. With a camera in hand and a smile on our face, we capture the moments, it's our traveling pace. Cruising through life in our golden years, sharing the laughter, chasing